Thank you very much for having us here with you. We are pretty well after 2 days of working together with you, but after let's say 7 hours, we are still good. Your team was very kind with us, and they help us a lot. So also make us feel comfortable with this. George here. Here is George, and they can provide to us many informations because in China no one will give you 10. Let's say 9.5.
Hello everyone. Today we got our friends, our customer to be here in this interview, and today we are going to have a nice conversation with them. And so, how are you today?
Thank you very much for having us here with you. We are pretty well after 2 days of working together with you, taking us to your showroom, showing us your products, and treat us very well. But after let's say 7 hours, we are still good because your team was very kind with us and they help us a lot. Actually, they made the job for us. So also make us feel comfortable with this. Of course, after a few hours you are tired but happy because you.
Yeah, that's part of our service, and we are very glad that we can actually helping you about all these jobs. And I would like to ask, how do you know us, Judge Group, at first place?
First of all, we did not know about you,
Yeah.
but because you are situated in a very good position and because you have good coffee outside, we just,
Right.
in the first day, we just stopped to have a coffee.
Uh-huh.
And then my wife says that, look, George here. Here is George, and they have all of the services that we needed. They can provide to us many informations. So let's go inside and take a look around. And because your advertising is so nice,
Yeah.
so that give it a chance. So
Yeah,
this
and
is
obvious. So
and-
that's what us to give it a try.
to give it a try.
That's the main point. We are putting so many cost on the advertising. Be in a company and check around the
Yeah.
products.
Exactly.
Okay. So from out of 10, how would you rate us so far? From 1 to 10.
From 1 to 10.
Yeah.
1 the worst, 10 the best.
Yeah. Yes.
And your service, because in China no one will give you 10. Let's say 9.5.
Oh, that's
The Chinese teachers always say that 10
yeah.
is for the teacher,
It's
never
for
for the student.
Never for the student. Let's
So-
say 10 for your guys, 9 for us. 9.5 for us. But it was
the 0.5. We are looking for the further service for you, and then let's see how we go. Right?
yes.
Yeah.
Because we already make like more than 50% of our work here. We identify the products. We identify already the quality that we need. Your colleagues already understand our let's say requirements. So we are happy with this. That's why I can say that we already made more than 50% of our work. The second step is take the goods and ship them abroad. And then it will be like
Yes.
100%.
Yes. Absolutely. And then for more than this, what suggestions or advice you want to give to us?
The only advice that I can recommend to you is to improve the logistics service.
Yes.
Because in our case, we're coming from Europe,
Yes.
and if you have a good logistics service who can ship the goods directly to the Europe, will be
Full package.
full package.
Service.
Yes.
We will take these notes because this is one of very important step for especially people who are not in exporting business. Especially like you guys, you are going to decorate your own house, right? I believe. And since you don't have too much experience of importing the products from China, so I think the points that to improve about the logistics, it's necessary. It's very important.
It's very important.
Yes.
Sure. You also have a very good system here. I mean, like a strategy for your clients, because you already has some colleagues who take care of your customers and
Yes.
bring them to each department.
Yeah.
And I think it's better when a customer is coming to make a trainee with him, to let him know what is the process. So this is your guy who will
Yes.
take you from each department and
Make the plan,
to make the plan.
schedules.
Yes, exactly. It will be very easy for the customers to understand what is your procedure and where are they going to discuss with whom and which department and so on. This will be very nice.
I'm
Also,
very happy we got two very important suggestions and to help us to improve our service. And I think that's the interview for today. Let's have a photo together.
of course.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
very much for
Finish.
everything.